Hello, Charlie.
What can I... and less energy consumption emissions.
Hey, Will. I just got my energy bill. It's going through the roof. I know I can do better.
GHG I have just the right for your lucky day. She's from your place. I'll call... Hey, my friend, what? You're right. And means less GHG. I have just the right for lucky day. She's on your plate.
Wow, that was fast.
Hello, Charlie.
Fred,
nice
Fred.
to meet you. Will
There was a
told me you could
blackout
use
at
some
my
help.
place. I was trying to opt... Look, what is energy efficiency?
Energy efficiency is using less energy to do the same things you do every day. Good for the planet and good for your pocket.
But concretely, how do you do it?
We have a methodology called EnMS, short for Energy Management System. It helps you follow and improve your energy performance, and it's the basis for compliance with ISO 50001.
ISO 50001?
The ISO 50001 is an international standard that provides guidelines for implementing and operating an EnMS. It's based on continuous improvement, so companies integrate it to reduce climate impact and enhance their results.
So, how do you implement it?
We start by a gap analysis. We analyze energy consumption data and all the monitoring tools to track energy usage, comparing your current state to the ISO 50001 standard. From what I can see, we'll need to start from scratch here.
So, let's assume, like myself, the affiliate doesn't have an established EnMS.
In this case, we have 5 steps. First, let's gather the energy efficiency ranges. Second step, each ranger has its own responsibilities. And third step, our energy rangers will map the significant energy users in your house.
Go Rangers! That's all?
This is the 4th step. They are writing the procedures to help you reduce your energy consumption.
Thanks! So, what's next?
Now it's your turn to put these procedures into practice. You'll need to collect and check the available energy data every month, finding solutions to reduce your consumption. It's all about continuously improving your energy efficiency. Here is a special watch to keep track of your KPIs and to call the energy rangers if you need.
Nice! I'll keep track of my KPIs.
Don't forget, Charlie, once you've set up your EnMS, you may undergo an audit and be granted ISO 50001 certification.
That would be an honor. Thanks!
Hey, Patrick, don't you think it's too tight?
Here, Francois, BFR. What wouldn't we do for...
Ah, no, guys. I think it's really stylish. I love it.